can be viewed and seen in Grand Bahama and vice versa.